morning, everyone. I'm Pooja Thakur from class 12B. Today, I would like to talk to you about an important topic called waste management. Waste management is all about taking care of our waste properly. Now, you might be wondering why we need to manage our waste. It is the destiny of the waste to be thrown away, isn't it? No. Well, when we throw away our waste without thinking about it, it can harm the environment. It can pollute the air, water, and land. It can also harm plants, animals, and even us humans. That's why we must manage our waste properly. We all know that waste management starts with 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. First things first, we can reduce waste by being mindful of the things we throw away. If we do not accept single-use plastic, we can minimize the trash at the initial stage itself. Don't worry, we can carry reusable cloth bags for shopping. By reducing our waste, we can help protect the environment. The next step is to reuse items whenever possible. Instead of throwing something away after using it once, we can find creative ways to give it a new life. Instead of buying bottled water, use a reusable water bottle. Share your toys and old clothes with needy people. You can recall the best out of waste activities given in holidays homework. Lastly, recycling is another important aspect of waste management. While government officials and NGOs just preach about reusing plastic, more and more fashion companies are doing their bit by transforming plastic waste into, can you guess it? Clothes and accessories. If it is going to be around for hundreds of years anyway, why not wear it? You can Google and see the long list of things made by reusing immortal plastic particles. By far, you must have understood that waste management is vital for protecting our environment. By reducing, reusing, and recycling our waste, we can make a positive impact. Remember, even small actions like carrying a reusable water bottle or using both sides of a sheet of paper can make a big difference. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.